Good morning, everyone. Good morning. As most of you know, my run time that I'm doing even now offers a very great opportunity for reflection. So what is it we have to reflect on at this time? It's a new year, 2026, and there's so much that awaits us, so much that await the unveiling of time. And so in this year, 2026, it is a good time to be centered into the pure path of spirituality that will bring the success that is the essence of our incredible potential. And this is the thought for today as I keep pounding and energize the frame that is the actual temple of the Spirit in me, the temple of my greater self, as the part of another part of my dual identity. I'm giving thanks today for air and the food I'll eat, the peace I enjoy, even in my little corner, and you can do the same in your little corner of the earth as you enter this brand new year with all its potential, with all its promises, with all its values, and all its successes for your families. And I say, Godspeed, and I mean it to the extent of may the source, the true source of life and power and might be with you. Until next time, bye for now.